Hi, my name is NAPHAT TUNTIKAEWPRAYOTH from Secondary 4/3, number 20. Today, I'm gonna explain you about how to coding the program assignment 5 of the midterm. Let's start now.
Okay, now we are at the onlinegdb.com that I used to program this assignment. So first we use int main function. So the next one is I will variable declaration about the size and ij to run the program. We use it in also for loop and anything else. So first one, we have to set the size of the array. So please enter the number of rows and columns. That means rows and columns is equal. So the array is the member is the square that can be also 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, and blah blah blah. So the size that we put in is the size of the array. So the size is the first and second size is the number that we put in here. So we use this to declare the first 2D array and the second one. This is the first and this is the second. For the S stand for second and F stand for first. Then this is the array. So the next one, we have to put the number in the array. So we use printf to center the first array. So we use for loop to loop it set the default that is I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. So I then is less than size, of course 0 is less than. So do it here. That is, this is I, this is j, this is 0 and 0. So this is the number in the array. So we use scanf and then it will loop until that is equal to the size that we put in. Then it will move to this one. So it will be a second array. So we so the program is maybe about the same. So copy and paste and just change the F to the S. I think that is so easy to put in the second array. So we have to put the number to insert it into the array. So it will print the number that we put in and then loop it. And the next one, the elements of first array. This will print out the number that we put in the array. So we use for loop to set it equal to 0, j is equal to 0, then we have to run it. This run the array from the first one and the second one, and in the another line. So into the another line, and then print it, and then print it until the number that we have in here, the rows and the columns. It will end at that position that we set it, that is size of this array. So the second is the same, also the same. Then we have the command that we have to press it together between the first and second array. So we use for loop to run it. This, and then sum is the equal to the first array and the second array, press it together, the I and the J, and then print out the sum that we plus it together, and then enter. That's all. So thanks for listening. Oh, I forgot. So that all. Then we will run it. So this is enter the number of rows and columns. Maybe 3. I think 3. Okay, 3. So that is square array. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The total is 9, right? 3 times 3. So the first cell, 1. Second is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 8 and the 9. So this is the first array that we put the number in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is the arranged in the position in the array. So the second array, I want the reverse. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when we press enter, this array and this array, it will press together in the position that is the same position. So when I use reverse, that is 1 plus 9, so equal to 10. I want it to be easy to see that is pressed in the position that is the same position. And we've got the 9 of 10. Okay, and then thank you for listening. That is all I will explain in this assignment. Thanks for listening.